AI is already better than humans at mathematics, chess, programming, so why not day trading? This week, I'm giving Claude and ChatGPT full access to my live trading account with $10,000. They will both analyze the same charts, then I will place the trade AI tells me to place for the next 5 days. If AI says buy, I'll buy. If AI says sell, I'll sell. At the end of the week, we will know which AI is better and maybe find out if AI is a better trader than us. Well, not me, so smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's find out. It's day one, I have my 2 AIs, I've logged into my trading account, and I've made my deposit. I hope I don't regret this, but I'm ready to trade. Let's jump right into the charts. I'm looking at gold right now. I love trading gold. I'm just gonna come up to the top here, and I'm going to copy the image. I'm gonna put this in ChatGPT and into Claude. And now we just need the AI prompt. So the AI will give us the trade direction, entry price, take profit level, and stop loss level, a complete trade. Let's paste that into both AIs and start the magic. Now we do have a problem right out of the gate here, but I managed to find a fix. After my very threat to the life of AI, we have our first trading signal. The signal works simply. We were given the entry price, that's where we enter the trade. We were given the profit target, that's where we exit the trade at a profit, and the stop loss at the bottom, which is where we lose if the trade goes against us. So let's jump into that trading position. I previously recorded it, and you can see right here, price pushed up, smash my take profit for over 30 bucks. So Claude is 1-0. ChatGPT gave us a sell trade with this entry, this stop loss, and this take profit, but we already know that this one isn't going to go well because the buy trade already won, right? Price went up, and you can see ChatGPT lost as it hit the stop loss right here, losing me $28 on this trade. Now, obviously, both trades are taken at the exact same time and in opposite directions, so I was pretty much hedging my position here, but for the sake of the challenge, I have to show both trades. Now, for me, this was a pretty obvious buy trade. We were in an uptrend right here. Price pulled back to a clear level of demand, and in my VIP gold trading room today, I actually sent this winning trade for 800 pips, but enough about me. Okay, so after day one, we ended up the day about $4.50. This is obviously too small. That's not even gonna pay for my lunch. So tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing bigger trades. Today was a great test, but now I've gotta run over to the house that I'm building. I'll bring you along with me later in the video. Now, I'll see you tomorrow. It's day 2, and I'm up a cool $4.50 on my live verified account. Profit is profit, baby. And today we're gonna trade some Nasdaq, maybe some Forex too. So let's jump right in. Here's the Nasdaq chart. I'm just gonna grab that image. Let's throw that into both of the platforms. Let's get this party started. Now I've got the trade set up. We have our entry price. We have our take profit level. We have our stop loss level. It looks pretty good. Let's see if ChatGPT can make up for yesterday's blunder, and it definitely did right there. On this one, getting me 115 bucks. But you already know that means on Claude, we lost this position. And for some reason, I don't know why, I risked more on this trade. So I actually lost 160 here. So we're really just 500 again, right? ChatGPT has won 1 and lost 1. Claude has won 1 and lost 1. But I've got a bunch of free time today. So I'm going to come back in a couple hours, see if I could get another trade. Okay, I am back. I hope you missed me. I've had some extra time today. I already set up some trades. So let's jump right in here. I'm on the Euro US dollar. This was the trade provided by Claude here. You can see it started off going into drawdown, but then look, it made a little bit of a double top pattern right here, started shooting down, created a level of resistance right here with that double top, came to a triple top. So at this point, I was actually feeling pretty good, and you can see we started to get into the green. We started to push down. Of course, our take profit level given by AI was right there, and smash that baby beautifully, which gives Claude the lead over ChatGPT, and here was the same trade here by ChatGPT. ChatGPT and Claude can't agree on a damn thing. Claude said sell and ChatGPT said buy. Hey, it looked like ChatGPT was doing well, right? But same thing, right? We created this level of resistance. We created that triple top right there, and then price shot down to lose the trading position. So ChatGPT lost this one, Claude won this one. For some reason, these two AIs can't agree on a single thing, which really tells you that trading is discretionary. No two people and no two AI can look at the same chart and think the same thing. So if we go back into my FX book where I'm keeping my account, after our 2 days, I'm down $2.17. This is not what we want to be seeing here, right? We've got 3 losing trades, 3 winning trades, and here are all 6 of those positions right here. The best one being that last Euro US dollar trade that went for $204. Now we started out trading around $30 per position, then I moved to about $150 per position, then $204 per position, but I'm still at minus $2. So tomorrow I'm gonna let AI trade $500, and hopefully these two can agree on something. Now, before we get into day 3 and finally win some trades, if you're wondering where I'm trading, it's with the Risen FX broker. The spreads are low, the commissions are low, the leverage is high, and the execution is great. So click the link in the description to check out Risen FX today. And let's get back into day 3. We've had 6 trades. We're absolutely nowhere. I've got to change something. So instead of getting AI to give me the trade on the 5-minute time frame here, I'm gonna get AI to give me the trade on the 1-hour time frame. This will give us a trade that lasts longer, but hopefully it gives us multiple wins. So let's dive right into the first trade here, and you can see this is a much larger trading position, and I'm almost at my stop loss right here and rejecting off. At that point, I was down about $400, so happily that didn't hit the stop loss. I stuck with this trading position because that's what I'm doing. I'm doing exactly what Claude or ChatGPT tells me to do. We are coming back to profit now, getting out of drawdown. If I got knocked out right here, that would have been super, super ugly given what I'm going to show you next. So here we are continuing to push down. Now I'm at $200 in profit. Feeling very, very good about this trading position. You can see it's a little bit of consolidation happening right here, but hopefully we can break through that and come to the take profit right here, which will net me over 500. And there it goes, smashing the take profit. And now let's jump right over to Claude, and I'll show you exactly how Claude did. And again, they disagreed. ChatGPT said sell, Claude said buy. I do exactly what I'm told. I'm a good little boy, AI, don't kill me. And so here we are, same as last time. See, the last time on the last trade, we were able to come to this level right here, and then you remember it shot down. And it's already starting to shoot down towards the stop loss here. We already know exactly what's going to happen on this trade. It's sad. It's very, very sad. But I'm going to find a way. I don't care. When I'm trading $500, if I'm trading $100, if I'm trading $30, I am going to find a way to win these trades because it's enough already. It lost the trade right there. So basically we gained 500 and lost 500, but I have a real idea for day number 4. Up until this point, we've only been trading the London and New York session because that's when I'm available. We're just batting 500. We win one, we lose one. It's annoying. So for day 4, I'm going to trade the Asian session. I'm going to stay up late and I'm going to put these trades in. All right, it's day 4. It's been a long day. I told you I'm up all night trading the Asian session. I'm tracking one trade right now, and I actually lost one for $600 already. So I've got one trade I'm holding overnight. I'm going to have to check in on that trade in the morning, but one way or another, I'm going to win on day 5. We have to end this thing positive. So I'll see you in the morning, and we'll check on that trade. It's day 5, the final day. We made it, and I woke up to a winning trade. This trade took 8 hours and 9 minutes. I fell asleep while it was open, and just like every other single day, a loss of $5.99, a win of $5.98. And you won't believe me when I say it, I'm at $0 through 4 days, but I know exactly what I'm gonna do to end this with a win. Currently, ChatGPT has 3 wins and 1 loss. Meanwhile, Claude has 1 win and 3 losses. So goodbye, Claude. Today we're just using ChatGPT, and that's gonna get us the win. So let's take the snapshot for the last time, plug in our prompt, and let it run. So I have plugged the final trade in. This is our entry right here. We've got our take profit down here and our stop loss up here. And I'm feeling pretty good about this trade. You can see we had a level of support right here. If I mark that level up right here, price recently broke and closed beneath that level, and now it is coming back up to that level. So this is a nice break and retest to the day. I actually like this trade a lot, ChatGPT. All right, so let's play this trade out. You could see we had a big push out of the resistance level, right? I had that marked up on the chart right there. That was a level of support turned resistance. I call that a flip zone. And you could see, look, I almost hit the take profit right there. That would have been beautiful. But you can see we are well into our profit area right now, and ChatGPT has to come through for us, go 4-1, and finally put us in profit to end this thing, baby. $700. That brings ChatGPT to 4-1. A clear winner over Claude, and that brings us to the end of our journey. Nothing, something, a $728 gain. For all of the work I put into this, I'm happy I ended up with a profit. Shout out to ChatGPT. If you want to trade with me, click the links in the description. Like the video, subscribe, consider watching this video right here, or definitely watch this video right here, and I'll be back next week. Much love.